Hi K2KC subscribers, how you guys doing? My name is Mutsawashe Rambanapasi, former student at the University of the Free State. I was studying a Bachelor of Commerce in Accounting. Now I'm studying at Monash. I just want to talk about my degree, my experience at the Free State, and just to give you a heads up, and what I experienced when I did my undergrad, and now what I'm experiencing when I'm doing my postgrad. Well, I started studying here. Okay, I don't want to tell you when. I started studying here. Did accounting, quite a challenging course. Well, what can I say? You need to put the hours in. You can't relax, you know. At a big varsity, you know, you got a lot of distractions, but I found my way out. And I think like undergrad is just a pavement or a way to just go into a better thing and achieve more.
It's been like a very difficult journey with a lot of challenges. So actually I took a gap year in 2012. My matric results were not great, guys. I was really average, like average student. So then I got here, I started the South Campus because my marks were not that great. Started South Campus, my marks were, you know. Yeah, and then I came to the main campus. I started my BCom accounting degree.
It hasn't been easy, I think, from undergrad. You come here with high expectations. You expect to work, to do very well in your academics because, I mean, previously you were a very good student from high school. You've obtained all these distinctions, and you come here with the mentality that you're still going to perform well. Coming here, you meet up with challenges and some of the reality checks. There are so many things that happen into your life that you were not expecting, but eventually you have to deal with them.
My varsity experience was good and it was bad, but what I can say is that in order for you to have a best varsity experience, it begins with knowing who you are and appreciating where you are from. I was raised by a single mother who was a domestic worker, and now I think everything starts with my allowance. Now, being a first year, I had to get, or rather I got a 500 Rand allowance every month, and then it grew to 700. I think the maximum amount that I got from my mom, it was 1,000 Rand. So now what I'm saying is that throughout that process of me not having such an allowance worth 3,000 Rand or 4,000 Rand, I still had to push and stay calm and still understand and know and appreciate, most importantly, where I'm from.
We were writing tests when everybody else was done, and then there were electricity problems in my commune, so I was actually the only one in the house, no electricity, and it was late. I got home late from the library.
Yeah. Things started becoming very, very challenging there. Okay, well, I didn't have finance issues, but it was, for me, it was the whole pressure thing that I had a lot of pressure back home. You know, when that pressure of people are looking up to you, they have expectations, you have to pass. And it got difficult, guy. I'm a reassessment, failing, you know. I had mental breakdowns, type of a thing, you know. Because yeah, failing is not easy, guys. Like, failing is the hardest thing ever. So I've failed before. You see, 2 belts, but hey, it wasn't smooth. It was really difficult. I failed, yeah, but I picked myself up.
It wasn't what I was expecting. I thought it was all going to be numbers, and now it's like 10% numbers and 90% words. So yeah, I'm just hanging there. You're gonna get it one day, and work hard, and don't be demotivated by little things. Failure is just failure, and you can recover afterwards. And what's life without failure anyway?
I've considered myself a very strong person because with every challenge that I faced, I was able to, you know, fight, and I'm still fighting.
Breakups, guys, those things affect you. So yeah, also when, you know, those things really affect you, you know. But I think with everything that I've been through, I think what has been giving me strength is God. I went to church a lot. God, like, I believe, guys. I believe in God. I prayed and everything, you know. So Yeah, that's how I overcome all those challenges. I prayed. I went to church, and of course, with the support that I had a great support system. My parents, my sisters, and my friends really supporting. So those things really worked out for me.
In order for you to have the best varsity experience, you must just know where you're from, appreciate where you're from, and do your level best in order to be the best among the best.
I didn't give up. That's the one thing about me. I don't give up, even though I can be depressed or have a mental breakdown. But we have Wuga. You don't stay down. We have Wuga, girl.
You must make the people that are pushing so hard for you to be in this position, you must make them proud. Because now you get a situation where people who are from negative or rather bad backgrounds, they come to varsity and then they start changing in a sense that they get addicted to having sugar daddies or sugar mamas. I was a student who was getting an allowance of 1,000 Rand every month, and look at where I am today. I obtained my degree. As small as it is, it's something, and I believe that with this degree I'm gonna do a lot for my family, and most importantly I'm gonna do a lot for my mom.
I'm a very confident person, and everything that I've tackled in my life, I always told myself that I have to be confident. I have to fight for what I believe in. So during my undergrad, I've dealt with loss of friends, loss of family, lots of people that were very close to my heart. But I was able to pick myself up. If you could open up my textbook from undergrad, you'll see they're filled up with tears. But that was the whole point. When you cry while you study. You don't just cry and put everything aside. You cry and you study.
Don't give up. It's gonna be hard. Like being at university, it's not gonna be a smooth road. It's gonna be hard. It is gonna be hard.
Varsity, you have to be serious with your schoolwork. Obviously, that is everyone's experience. There's too much work, there's too much workload. But if you manage your time very well, you cannot fail. You will do good. Avoid going to parties and doing all those things. You will pass, believe me, and definitely you will obtain that degree that you registered for. If you are mentally ready, and if you want to, or rather if you are looking at the success point that you want to reach.
It's because of courses like this that actually make you who you want to become.
I would actually go through first year, second year, and third year. I would choose the journey again. Because I feel like things that are worth it in life, they don't come easy. You have to go through like obstacles, and I definitely would. Even though it's hard and difficult, but I would go through it again.
I'm very happy about my journey actually. Every challenge that I faced, it's what made me to be who I am today. I would like to say thanks to my family, my friends, and the love of my life for always being there for me. I can be very annoying with my crying all the time and calling my friends, asking them to help me and stuff. But I really appreciate the fact that none of them has ever said, "Don't call me again." They've listened, they've comforted me, and they always stuck by me. So I'm very fortunate. I might be an orphan, but I can never see myself as an orphan. Never. Because I'm surrounded by so much love.
Challenges make you strong. They make you a better person. You learn more about yourself. So I definitely will. Yeah, and don't give up, guys. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, no one will. You have to believe in yourself. And make sure that you maintain good, positive friends,
I wish you all the best. If you want to enroll at varsity, I know and I wish you all the best, that you push harder. Your allowance, your background, any other negative situations doesn't determine the future that you're going to have.
Listen, if you're a student, study hard, achieve, come graduate, get the t-shirt, get the certificate, and go somewhere else. K2KC has been very good to me. I hope they're gonna upload some photos. Just have to check the suit. Really nice. Thank again to K2KC. Please don't leave without subscribing and follow us. Oh, not us, it's on my channel. Follow K2KC.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Stunner. Wurd. Pushing new boundaries. Doing new things on every new day. Check it. Yeah. They say we can't move, we stick our hands up high. Trying different angles, watch the time go by.